DP-20 should be used to pump gasoline blends up to E15, diesel blends up to B20, or kerosene. DP-20 may also be used to transfer hydraulic fluid or motor oil up to 30 weight. To install DP-20 on your fuel drum or tank, start by cleaning your tank of all dirt and debris. Next, apply thread tape or pipe thread sealant to all threaded joints, including tank adapters, suction pipes, and hoses. Install the lock nut to the pump inlet. Then assemble your suction pipe and install the pipe onto the pump inlet port. Next, extend the adjustable suction pipe to its full length and install the pump on the tank. Use the lock nut to secure the pump in the desired orientation on the tank. To install the handle on your DP-20, slide the handle grip onto the pump handle. With the open side of the handle link facing down, attach the link to the pump with a clevis pin. Secure with a small cotter pin. Attach the handle to the pump, sliding a clevis pin through each hole as shown. Secure each clevis pin with a cotter pin. Attach your hose to the pump outlet port and attach your nozzle to the hose. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. To lock the handle to the pump, push the handle to the forward position and guide the clasp through the slot in the handle. Insert a padlock through the clasp. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.